Hey everybody, how you all doing? Today I'm going to show you how to do a plank properly start to finish. And if you're wondering, Peter, really haven't you uploaded one of these videos before? I was thinking the same thing, but someone asked me a couple of days ago, do you have a how to plank video? And I thought I would have probably uploaded one over the last 12 years here on YouTube, but I haven't. And so I told him I will upload one ASAP. So here it is then. I'm going to show you how to do a plank start to finish, but I also want to show you the little trick that I use with myself and my clients to make your plank not just a lot harder, but turn it into a core and an ab exercise instead of just a core exercise. And then at the very end of today's video, guys, I'm going to provide you with a link where you can go and check out what I call the ultimate 360 core workout. So you'll combine the plank with 3 other plank variations to train your full core, because remember, the plank just hits the front part of your body, the anterior chain, and your core is 360. So you need to make sure you use variations that will train your full core. But let's get started with the plank for today. So the 2 main things that you need to remember when you get started with is you don't want to do what we call tenting. That's it, okay, butt in the air. And you don't want to slouch your back, because that will just hurt your lower back, obviously. So let's take this start to finish. You know how to go. Elbows bent straight underneath your shoulders. Okay, so not forward, not back. Yes, there are different variations, but the first plank we're going to do normal plank, and that is straight underneath your shoulders. Then from here you're going to contract your quads as hard as you can. Okay, then you contract your butt, and then you contract your abs and your core, and you will see you get up here. Okay, and that basically is your core. Now the little trick that I use with my clients is I tell them to pretend that they are crunching into the floor. So pretend you're here, and then you do a crunch here. So you see my upper back rounds a little bit, but that's because I'm doing a crunch into the floor, and now my abs comes into play and the plank becomes a lot harder. But because I love getting as much out of every single exercise that I do, I like making each exercise as hard as possible so that I get the best value for my training time. And that little strategy and that little trick I used at the end there will do just that. So it really brings in your abs a lot into place. And remember, the plank is one of the 9 ultimate bodyweight exercises. If you haven't seen that video of mine and you want to see what the other 8 exercises is, you can go to 6weeksixpack.com/9EX, where I talk about those 9 exercises. But right now I want to show you the ultimate 360 core workout. So you can click on a button at the top right hand corner, or I'll also put the link in the description, and you can go and check out what I call my 360 core workout. And I believe everybody should do this at least once per week. It's that good for you, and it's great for developing a strong core. And remember, a strong core is important because everything else we do is based on the strong core. So the stronger your core, the harder you can push, no matter what other workout or exercise you want to do. So very important to train this on a weekly basis. But there you go, guys. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button, subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet, and remember, have fun out there and keep it simple. Until the next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.